Okay, so as per our lab setup, we need Kali Linux to download and install. So what you can do, you can download the ready-made VMware image from this link kali.org. Even you can search in the Google. Just go to Google and type Kali Linux VMware download. So it will take you to the kali.org, get Kali, and click on virtual machines. And here we have different VirtualBox, Hyper-V, QEMU. However, we need VMware 64. So you can download through torrent software. Either you can download directly. It's almost 2.9 G. So let me click on this one. I already download just to show you, and here is. So let me go to my folder. To save time, I already download. Here is Kali 2023.3. Right click and you can use any application. Anyway, in my case, I will use 7-zip and just extract Kali Linux, and you just need to extract. Even though I mentioned these things here as well, steps, just right click 7-zip and extract. After that, you will see like this. Okay, and then we need to open in VMware Workstation Pro, and so simple. Okay, and just rename them. However, you need to change the interface to net as per our topology. So it's unzip. I hope so. It's here. So here we have. Let me copy this one because we have a folder inside folder. So let me paste here. Okay, and even you can rename this folder. So let me rename them to Kali Linux 2023.3. Now next, just open VMware Workstation. Okay, and go to file and go to open. Okay, and go to Kali Linux 2023. Okay, and just open this. Open. Okay, it's so simple. It's better to rename them. Right click and you can rename because the name is so long. So just make them like this. And we have Kali Linux 2023.3. Make sure to change the network adapter as per our lab topology. It has to be NAT. All the system will be configured through NAT interface. Okay, the memory is 2. If you have more resources, in my case I have, so it's better to increase the RAM because we're gonna install Nessus. So for that it require at least 4 GB. So what I will do in my case, I will make them 16. Even you can keep them 4 GB and you can keep them 8 GB as per your resources. Processor is okay. Hard drive is okay. No need of anything, and just click OK. This is the only thing. In my case, I increase the RAM. Okay. Default username is Kali, and Kali is mentioned here, and the interface is NAT, and that's it. If you want to test, power on, and you can test them it's working or not. So you don't need to install Kali Linux from scratch. If you want, I can show you that one as well from scratch from ISO file, but because the ready-made is available, so we can use that one straight away. Okay, and after a while it will start, and the default username and password is Kali, and even though I mentioned here as well, username is Kali, password is Kali, and just you need to type to log in. Okay, so let's go back. Yeah, it's come up. Type Kali and hit enter, and here you can see it open, and you can check the IP. It's get the IP or not. You can type fconfig, and here is, you can see it's get the same range IP which we were talking about. If you go to edit, virtual network editor, and a NAT, so the NAT range is 114, and it start from 128 to 254. So in our case, is provide us 162, and this is the gateway, and the internet will be there 8.8.8. so you can see I can ping 8, and also I can ping yahoo.com as well. So it's properly working, and we can configure a static IP as well. You can click here. Anyway, I will show you. You can go to connection, and you can make them a static IP. The gateway we already know. The gateway will be 2 because we know from here that the gateway IP is 114.2. So we can assign a static IP as well. So it was so simple to install Kali Linux and VMware Workstation Pro.